I believe most people love to eat Thai Tomyam noodle soup. Pama, let's fried Thai Pama Tomyam instant noodle today. Save this delicious recipe now so you may refer back anytime you like. Slice bell pepper and carrot. Cut cherry tomatoes into half. Crack eggs into bowl and set aside. Remove noodle from packaging and pour seasoning powder and Tomyam paste into bigger bowl. Let's cook noodle for 3 minutes. Once cooked, drain and put noodle under running water for 5 seconds. There are thousands of recipes in my channel and I upload new recipes every day. Don't miss out, ya! Once noodle is ready, stir-fry carrot sliced and bell pepper slices, then add egg on side. Pour noodle on top of noodle and let it fried and flip once egg bottom has solidified. Add cherry tomatoes and stir-fry evenly. Plate noodle and delicious fried Tomyam instant noodle is ready to serve. Hope you like my recipe. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.